Picture this: a sleek, upscale sedan with a powerful inline-six engine, rear-wheel drive prowess, and the refined elegance of a luxury vehicle. That's the vision Mazda had been brewing, aiming to replace the outgoing Mazda 6 with a performance sedan that would turn heads and set hearts racing. But just when enthusiasts were getting their hopes up, whispers of the project being shelved for North America began to circulate among Mazda executives. Fast forward to now, and it seems the winds of change are blowing once more. Reports from the Japanese site BestCarWeb suggest that Mazda's plans for a premium sedan might be back on track. Fueling this resurgence is the unexpected success of Mazda's upscale SUV lineup, particularly the impressive three-row CX-90 in America. What's in store for this revived Mazda 6 successor? Well, if rumors hold true, it's going to be a powerhouse. BestCarWeb hints at a robust engine lineup, including a potent 3.3-liter inline-six gas engine boasting 341 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. And for the environmentally conscious drivers, there's talk of a 2.5-liter plug-in hybrid option. This marks a significant leap from the previous Mazda 6's offerings, promising a driving experience that's both exhilarating and efficient. As for when we can expect to see this marvel hit the streets, it's slated for a potential arrival in 2025, with North America being the primary target market. And while Mazda has confirmed plans for an EV debut in the same year, it's this new sedan that has enthusiasts buzzing with anticipation. But amidst all the excitement, there's a hint of caution. The sedan market is notoriously brand loyal, and success isn't guaranteed even for a standout like Mazda. Yet, with its reputation for exceptional tuning, driving dynamics, and luxurious interiors, Mazda just might have what it takes to challenge the European heavyweights on price and performance. As we eagerly await further updates, there's a bittersweet note to consider. With the end of production for the Mazda 6 in Japan, a chapter closes on an iconic model. Yet for those who still crave the charm of a sedan or wagon, the future remains uncertain. While Mazda's focus may be shifting towards crossovers, there's a yearning among enthusiasts for a worthy successor to carry on the legacy of the Mazda 6. Only time will tell if Mazda can deliver on this front, but for now, the anticipation continues to build.